be the white shirts of Converge with first possession. One GDL feeding his import right away. They want to get Franklin going early here. Three Kahilig in front. Ginawang asintahan ni Jamal. Arana with the board. Stockton over at the other side. Si Stockton na rin yata ang kapitan ngayon na itong Converge. Siya kanina yung nasa gitna kasama si Costas. Kausap na referees.
Tingnan mo yung bench players nila. That's what I like about San Miguel. They know how to pass the ball around. And they're spread out. Their spacing is very good.
This now is the largest lead of the game. As Bueva takes three off it. Kinurunahan din ang sarili ito. Si Franklin at si Arana. Sa kabila naman, si Junmar ang papasok para sa SMB. Franklin likewise there as we mentioned. Juan GDL atakin si Ahanisi. Juan drops it off. Bueva now with 9. Franklin diving in. Calvin thought about the four, drives closer. Calvin gets the basket. Antinya man foul.
Eh, yan ang pinakagusto niya. Pag gusto siya ng tao, lumalabas yung kanyang performance.
11 puntos na para dito kay Bueva.
Ang traveling ka daw ba?
Arana at the other side. Tatlo nag-collapse sa kanya. Franklin thought about the three, pero Trollano's right there with him. Franklin creates the space. Punches it through.
Gusto niya may konting buwelo at saka yung Domingue Besa nakataas sa kamay.
One GDL will attack Ross. Franklin against Trollano on the run, off one leg. Jamal floats it in.
Yung tira niya yun, no? Siya.
Here's that one-legged three-pointer again, Doc. Uso ngayon yan.
Hindi mo ka lang titira.
One from deep. No, Baltasar with the board.
2 offensive rebounds.
Mikey gives it up. Franklin down the Garadati.
That's a blocking foul and one.
He is taken out by Trollano, though.
Yeah, Converge.
And with a minute and 37 remaining sa ating first half, may timeout muna tayo. May bonus free throw parating. Pagkatapos, itong break na ito. Converge moving it around. Ross stopping Franklin. 4-ball. Di umubra para kay Juan. Bueva with the board. Calvin doing the dirty work.
He's been fighting, no? But,
Trollano off the secondary. Dispalinghado. Arana dribbles out of trouble. Bueva 3-on-1. They go to Franklin on the run.
3:09 left in this third quarter.
Franklin, push shot. That stops the bleeding somewhat para dito sa Converge. 27 na para kay Don.
Ang dami na niya. Oh, nice pass.
Baltasar's floater comes up short. Bueva again doing the dirty work. Kasama ni Baltasar at Bueva itong sina Policarpio. Abante ng San Miguel. Hindi lang tumulong sa ito. Si Mark Villar, wala talaga.
Hindi naman ano yan eh.
Nakikinig sa atin yun, Doc. Andun sa OB ban niya.
Kahit sino pa ang kalaban, i-expect mo na go hard yan sa depensa, lalo na pag SMB ang kalaban. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Miss Apple. Kaya naman 27 puntos na ngayon. Itong si Don Trollano. As this cleanup job is delivered again by Bueva.
You know, ang nangyari dyan, yung index at San Miguel, most probably wala na yan. Next stage na yan, no? Tapos, ang magbabakbakan doon. Pero pwede pa niya makuha yung 10. Madali naman yung 10 puntos eh.
Rebound, Doc, 19 ni. Di ba pwede pag nag-20, gawin mo dalawang double yung rebound?
No.
Di ba pwede?
Ano yung pass?
Parang ginaantay niya yung cue, Doc eh. Hindi binato ni Direk. Bueva inside.
Baka mo nga siya, Bueva pa highest scorer nito eh.
Atakin si Balti. Off the crossover.
With good defense.
Franklin with a big stop.
And let's see if he gives an assist. Good
Nice
pass.
no look to Calvin. 24 na para kay Bueva. Play of the game natin yan. Natin sa atin ang Sports Plus. 2 and 16. Natitira dito sa Smart Araneta.